Hello everyone, my name is Hania Solis. Today I will talk about my opinions of the regulation of pedagogical practice from the document we read at the UNAT University for this course at the same university. I want to say that it's very important document since it states all the details about what we should do and what we should do in our practice place. Also, it involves all the information about the duties and our rights. It's very important since I started my career. I I have never read, I seen, but I never had the time to read through it and understand each of the articles. And I consider this activity was great because I got to know a little bit more about the point of view from the university about practice, also the regulations that were made to help us step by step in our process to become real well prepared professionals teacher. I guess these regulations are clear, especially well for me. They are clear when they explain everything about what we need to do and how we can get our certificate at the end of pedagogical practice. I think that the most important thing about all this is to become real good person, good people, respect everyone and learn as much as we can through this pedagogical practice, make them significant in our life and important. Um, this will help increase our responsibility, our way to plan and to execute those plans. I am thankful with the university for this opportunity to work with them and with these schools that are in the covenant with the university to help us to do our pedagogical practice there. I will say that the regulations are made to help us not just to follow rules, but to help us in our way to become real good professional. And I think that all what I want to say. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.